Hello everyone and welcome. I am at a very special place. सुबह मैं यहाँ पहुँचा हूँ और I am at the ICF in Chennai. और अंदर चल के हम देखने वाले हैं कि यहाँ पे इंडिया की आइकॉनिक वंदे भारत ट्रेन को कैसे बनाया जाता है with all the modern features, with all the safety features, everything happening under this roof. सारा कुछ काम इंडिया में किया जाता है for Indians, by Indians, maintaining the world class standards. बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग मज़ा आने वाला है. We have got so much to cover. तो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So this is the entire width of the.
This width will be around 3.2 meters.
Okay.
2,200 mm. This is limited by
the track width.
Because something called moving dimensions.
This is manufactured in sir?
It is manufactured here only.
Okay.
Raw material in plate form we get from outside.
Okay.
Then afterwards we process it. And then it's made here.
You process as per your requirements.
Yes.
So for example, from there till that section would be one coach.
Yeah, that is 23.1 meters. That is 23,100 meters.
Okay, 23.1 meters is one coach. So this will be the underbody, no? I mean, it will be flipped.
Yeah, it will be flipped over. So
this is where the bogie is going to attach?
To this, there will be correction.
Acha.
Connected to the bogie. Bogie.
So from this side, it's mostly flat. This is all the underbody. That's the one is flipped. So this is the motor car. Motor coach. So motor coach is the every alternate, as you told me. Yeah.
Out of 16, we got
8 motor coaches. I think what we have seen with railways is, I mean, like whatever work is being done, I think it's very solid in terms of, I mean, the quality. It's like right at top.
The most important thing is the safety.
Yeah.
It has to be very safe. When you are running the train set, at high speeds, even anything beyond 60 km also is quite, you can say, very high speed.
Guys, we have seen welding normally हाथ से करते थे, but अभी हम जा रहे हैं robots कैसे weld करते हैं, because machinery it's everywhere and we're gonna see how robots are assisting in the welding. I would say high precision welding, because these trains they are kind of very high in terms of the quality and the precision, and robots are definitely a big help there.
This is the robot, it's already programmed. It's doing the complete welding.
So this is only used for the bogie welding, sir?
Normally, robots can be universal.
So basically, this entire
programmed for the bogie welding. Suppose tomorrow you want to use it for some other purpose, you can do it.
So you program the arm and then it will just follow the path.
How to do it.
Guys, just have a look at the kind of machinery we got. This is a robotic welding machine here. I mean, look at the size of it and the precision. ये जो है, by the way, this is the bogie, which kind of has the wheel sets and goes under the coach. And यहाँ पे ये जो पूरी welding है, it's done by this robotic arm. It's fantastic to see. Tech is all around us actually. So this is the side section, sir? Okay.
This is actually the side wall.
Side wall. Understand.
So we have got a width of 1500.
This would be the window, if I'm not wrong.
That is window.
Let me see.
It just almost as.
So this is the laser welding.
Yeah, it is. Manually or.
And sir, what is the strength? I mean, is it really strong as well?
Yeah, it is as strong as any other welding.
Oh, sir, all these clamps, what are they for?
This is the plate sheet. The plate sheet will not have on its own enough strength. Just the sheet, just.
I know. So just to keep it all straight.
Yeah.
So this is the same thing that we had. It just. And this is added, I think, sir. This is added, yeah. So this is the joint, for example. This is the joint. So this is again the same length, the full length.
Yeah. This also is 23.1 meter.
On both the ends, the single window for toilets, and these are the standard passenger windows. This big machine behind me is just for complete precision and automatic spot welding. I mean, इसमें पूरे कोच की लेंथ पे जितने भी स्पॉट्स हैं जहाँ जहाँ पे भी हमको वेल्ड करना है उस सभी चीज़ों को हम पहले से प्रोग्राम कर देते हैं. I mean, like 23.1 meters is the length of the entire coach, and this machine makes sure that all the spots they are welded to the perfect precision with complete quality, and it's all automatic. I mean, यार ये जो पूरी फैसिलिटी है ना, इट्स कम्प्लीटली स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट, आई मस्ट से. बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. सो हाउ डज इट लाइक, सो दीज आर द क्रेन्स गोना पुल लाइक द एंटायर कोच.
They bring it then here.
हाँ. So actually now standing in front now it looks massive now, because normally in the photos you might not get the the front that we see is a complete like a nose kind of a thing. So it's mainly for aerodynamics, or it has some stuff inside as well.
Primarily for the aerodynamics. And also aesthetics.
Okay. So what all it has, sir? For example, the front section looks like the driver's cabin, but this is like a regular seating.
Yeah, from here it looks.
It's from here it's regular seating.
Here what we do, we provide the toilet.
Okay. And how many like people are required to operate the train, sir, at time? Like two guys?
Only one.
Only one.
Only one driver.
But is there like a one on standby as well, or just one
Only one is here and one is in the
on the other side?
end of the train.
Okay. So the roof would be, from inside it would be flat.
For that, inside also there is a little bit of terrace.
Okay.
We do paneling.
All these for wires, this.
All these
Even these for maybe, sir, the cables and stuff.
we got 3 passengers. We got laptop charger and C-type charger and USB charger.
C-type also.
Yeah.
That's modern, sir. So this suspension is a bit different. Like normally I've seen the springs and all, but this thing is kind of hydraulic.
Yeah, lateral direction. Speed controls.
Because like this is not very common, I must say, I think. So it has disc brake.
Yeah, there is a disc brake.
Okay.
Normally we provide it on the axle.
Ha.
We have to provide the motor. So what we do, we left axle, they left free, and the brakes we have brought into the wheel itself.
So it's just like we have in the cars. I mean the
So that area is totally free.
yeah, but not only difference is the size of the disc compared to what we have in a normal vehicle. So across the length of this, we'll have a full 16 car in one place from end to end.
Capacity is around 13.
13, okay. This actually, I mean, only if you come and experience this, sir, then only you can gauge the scale. If I tell someone verbally that I went to ICF and it's this big and all, I mean, we can't imagine.
You have to feel the sound.
It's beyond imagination, to be honest. Yeah. Sir, ideally for, I think, safety purposes and security issues, I mean the driver's cabin should have a feed of all the cameras in one place.
All
Is it like
They can all cameras. Including
So
outside.
normally what I've noticed is because the train track is like at times like different from the roads that we have. So network on the road journey, it's all fine.
Mobile network normally
We were having
Acha. Yeah, there it is. D-Link. Yeah.
So that one is connected to the media content. They've got a block box. With media box is there. So it beams the media into the inside the coach.
Okay.
You just switch on your Wi-Fi like your Vistara, and log into hook on to that.
So we go to the local network
and automatically.
so it has a list of movies and all those things.
Yes,
correct?
yes.
whatever we loaded, we can see.
Totally.
This is amazing, sir. Guys, this is massive. I mean, I am right under a bogie. You can see the massive, wheels with. ये disc brake है, आपको पता है? This is like you can see the caliper right here. It's actually a disc brake. So this kind of a mechanism is required to stop, a moving train. I am under a coach right now, and the kind of tech we have inside, and this is just the underbody जहाँ पे हमको दिखता है कि क्या क्या चीजें हैं. It's next level technology at the ICF in Chennai, producing Vande Bharat trains. Iconic. Guys, what an amazing day. I mean, आज कितना ज़्यादा मज़ा आया हमें at the ICF, wherein I'm sure, you know, whatever we captured so far, you definitely enjoyed it like thoroughly, because जो हमने चीज़ें दिखाई हैं at this factory, I would say this is a mega factory. And by the way, this is the world's largest facility for manufacturing of train coaches. एंड यहाँ से इंडिया में जो ट्रेन्स आप देखते हैं वो बनाई जाती हैं, इंडिया से इनफैक्ट बाहर एक्सपोर्ट भी किया जाता है. मतलब द स्केल ऑफ दिस एंटायर सेटअप इज मैसिव. यू नो, इट्स स्प्रेड इन एकर्स एंड एकर्स ऑफ लैंड. और यहाँ पे सो फार वट एवर वी हैव सीन, आई एम श्योर यू एंजॉयड इट. माई एक्सपीरियंस वॉज कंप्लीटली थ्रिल्ड. And अभी यहाँ से it's time that we go and actually ride the Vande Bharat. Let's go on board and see how comfortable is the ride, what all features it has, and actually just feel like a passenger and enjoy the masterpiece that is built right here inside this facility at ICF Chennai. So guys, this is something which is rarely doable. हम कर नहीं सकते कि एक ट्रेन के सामने हम ऐसे खड़े हो जाएं, but अभी because we are at the ICF, we can do this and we can experience the scale of Vande Bharat. यार, the iconic Vande Bharat. और कितनी futuristic लगती है यार, you know, India's own semi high speed train with all advanced features. I mean, definitely engineering marvel right from our own country. Amazing. So guys, here we are. I mean, this is the final product. And just have a look. आप एक बार देखो यार कि मतलब कितना ज़्यादा ध्यान रखा है. मुझे पता है सबसे अच्छी खुशी किस बात की है, मैं आपको यहाँ दिखाता हूँ. हैव अ लुक हियर, राइट हियर. अगर आप नीचे देखोगे ना, तो यहाँ पे लेट्स से इफ आई एम सिटिंग हियर, राइट हियर आई हैव दिस सॉकेट जहाँ पे एक मल्टीपिन पोर्ट है, एक यूएसबी पोर्ट है और फिर एक यूएसबी टाइप सी पोर्ट भी है. तो बेसिकली कंप्लीटिंग ऑल माई नीड्स फॉर ऑल माई गैजेट्स. अगर मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के काम करना चाहूँ विद माई कंप्लीट कंफर्ट, I have all the power right next to my seat. And by the way, ये सभी seats के लिए lights जो हैं वो ये feather touch, you know, Mercedes and Audi and BMWs and all these high-end cars, they have this feature yaar. I mean, it's next to you in this train. This coach actually looks futuristic with all modern amenities. We have talkback systems, we have kind of, emergency alarm systems, we have these displays showing all the finer details. The train has GPS, Kavach, multiple sensors, fire suppression systems in each coach, along with this braille marking, on these handlebars to get kind of, more accessible for the masses. Iconic, amazing. Guys, just look at the amount of technology that's running up this train. You know, ये हमको कभी दिखेगा ही नहीं, ये हमको कभी पता चलेगा ही नहीं, because we'll enjoy the comfortable rides on our seats. But if you just see, यार कितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं, इतने जो हैं वो अलग अलग components लगे हैं, और technology is the backbone of this Vande Bharat. We can clearly see the kind of stuff it has behind the scenes, behind the walls, under the floor, under the roof, packed all around for all the amazing experience. And this is the place which serves you the amazing food of Indian Railways. You know, if you ever enjoy in any of your travels, आपको जो गर्मा गर्म जो खाना मिलता है वो सब यहीं से आता है. यहाँ पे we have these units जहाँ पे you know under the trays are kept. These are all the kind of hot units. So the pantry section, you know, maybe the basin or kind of we have a bottle cooler. If I see कि यहाँ पे you know there are all the bottles placed. So और क्या चाहिए यार ट्रेन में. Guys, you know, with all the advanced features that this train has, I can clearly say that this Vande Bharat is a computer on wheels. I mean, यार ये किसी चलते फिरते कंप्यूटर से कम नहीं है. इस ट्रेन में कितने सारे कैमरास लगे हैं, कितने सारे एडवांस सेंसर्स लगे हैं, कितने सारे एडवांस पैसेंजर सेफ्टी और कंफर्ट फीचर्स भी हैं. और यहाँ पे you know in this console there's a complete list of you know all the controls for every smallest detail possible to control this Vande Bharat. And for a fact, अगर बचपन से आपके दिमाग में ये सवाल था कि क्या ट्रेन की भी चाबी होती है, तो जी हाँ, ट्रेन की भी चाबी होती है. This is what I can see here in the cabin of the iconic Vande Bharat. Guys, the best part is this train is made in India, is made by Indians and is made for Indians. And that too on a world-class level. The experience here was fantastic. Vande Bharat!